Hi, we are from Mo Interior Planner Studio, Hyderabad. Here we come into the living area, which we can feel and sense the touch of minimalizing design with a customized sofa of client's choice. And here we can feel and touch every texture with a feel of home. And then we are coming to the TV unit, which emphasizes the wooden finish in the bottom with the base cabinet. And here we are going for a stone texture at the top. Coming to the dining area, we are using a wooden dining table with a toughened glass highlight, which connects us to the nature by showing some pebbles in it, which have some interesting complex of oceans, etc. And also we can highlight it by having some plants on the dining table, which connects us to the nature. We are coming with the crockery and bar unit with a granite countertop and a wooden finish in the bottom. And we are having a ledge for storage, like any plants or anything which client favors to do. Here comes the softer closure with a wooden finish, an open bar counter and a closed bar counter in the bottom. Now let's go to the vanity area where we have a granite top and the base made of wooden laminate and a beautiful mirror in the back with a sense of nature in the sides. Now let's explore the kitchen. We try to highlight the overhead units with the profile doors and giving the warm lights inside. This combination of beige and wooden laminates gives the kitchen a spacious look. We are heading to the storage unit, which we have according to the client's requirement in the combination of beige and the wooden laminates as well. Now we are coming to the storage unit, which we have given some drawers and an open shelves in the bottom. Now let's go to the balcony. Let's get into the master bedroom now. In the master bedroom, we have a combination of wardrobe and the dressing unit as well. The laminates as matte finish and the sliding doors with the soft closures and some beautiful mirror and the dressing unit. Now let's go to the guest bedroom. Entering into the guest bedroom, let's see some interesting point having a puja unit inside. Here is the puja unit with some CNC designs outside and also highlighting the back panel of the puja with the same CNC cutting, which also beautifies and gives us a holistic feel. We have designed the puja with double platforms and given some CNC designs in the back. Coming to the wardrobes now, we have given the similar laminate to the bedrooms, which gives us the minimal look and a homely feel. Moving to the kids' bedroom now. This is the most interesting part of the room, having a window seating in the balcony side, having a comfortable and cushioned sofa. Now we have a shelf which is suitable for books or any awards. We have a beautiful dressing unit with a mirror and a drawer in the down. And we have the combination of wardrobe and the dressing unit with a matte finish laminate, which also beautifies the room. The quality of the product is verified thoroughly. Execution of the project is done by the expertise from the industry. We take care of our clients' requirements and understand what style they are actually looking for their home, and then we will start designing.
Hey, Rima, thank you so much. for actually, helping me in doing interiors for my house. I never thought that I would be able to do interiors because I thought the budget would be really, really high. But after meeting you, I found that it's not that difficult. We can also do interiors in a budget, in a reasonable price. So that's one thing. And second thing, Rima, you have taken all the feedback that I have given about my house. Once I saw my house after the interiors were done, it was like, wow. So that's the kind of feeling that I always wanted to have when I own a house. People usually say that interior designers don't listen to their customers. They take a lot of time to do interiors. It is very, very, very costly affair. But you made sure that I was comfortable. You listened to me. In fact, not just me, but every family member of my house. You have listened to their feedback, you've taken it, and you have done the best that you can ever do. So I'm very happy, and I hope that this goes to all your customers who are looking forward to your business, to you as well, because I really want people to know what more interiors can do. And this maybe could be the best thing that I can say that in my life I have done the best by giving the interior designing contract to Mo Interior. I can assure everyone, whoever is watching this video, that Rima is one such person who will always do things which are right. She will take your feedback. She will do the interiors in the budget that you think and decide. And she will also put, the best ideas that she can to make your house look beautiful. I've got a lot of positive feedback. I'm so very happy that I approached you, Rima. Thank you so much once again.